प्रिव्हियस व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण डिस्कस केलेलं होतं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, 5 आणि क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. आता या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 बघणार आहोत. हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, प्रिव्हियस व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण क्वेश्चन एक्सरसाइज 1.1 मधला क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, 5, 6 बघितलं होतं. आता आपण डिफरन्शिएशन मधला एक्सरसाइज 1.1 मधला क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 बघणार आहोत, ज्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला ऍक्टिव्हिटी दिलेली आहे आणि ह्या फिल इन द ब्लँक सर्व भरायचे आहेत. तर त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला फंक्शन दिलेले आहेत एफ ऑफ एक्स आणि जी ऑफ एक्स. फर्स्ट फिल इन द ब्लँक दिलेले एफ ऑफ जी ऑफ एक्स आणि सेकंड दिलेले जी ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स. पहिले आपण याला बघू. सोल्युशन मध्ये आपल्याला दिलेला एफ ऑफ एक्स आणि जी ऑफ एक्स. सो एफ ऑफ एक्स इक्वल्स टू दिलेला एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 5, जी ऑफ एक्स इक्वल्स टू दिलेला e टू द पॉवर x प्लस 3. सो एफ ऑफ जी ऑफ एक्स इज कैन बी एफ ऑफ जी ऑफ एक्स, एफ ऑफ जी ऑफ एक्स. So this can be written as f of x as it is, f as it is. So g of x is e to the power x plus 3, e to the power x plus 3. Put f of e to the power x plus 3 in equation. x value इथं put करून द्या. किती आपल्याकडे दिलेला x square. So x here मध्ये किती दिलेला e to the power x plus 3. So it is e to the power x plus 3 bracket square. Okay, bracket square plus 5. प्लस किती राहणार 5. सबस्टिट्यूट करायची f ऑफ e टू द पॉवर x प्लस 3 या x च्या जागेवर x किती दिलेला स्क्वेअर, मग x ची व्हॅल्यू किती राहणार e टू द पॉवर x प्लस 3 ब्रॅकेटचा स्क्वेअर. सो इट इज f ऑफ e टू द पॉवर x प्लस 3 इज इक्वल्स टू, इट कॅन बी रिटन a प्लस b होल स्क्वेअर. सो a x स्क्वेअर e टू द पॉवर x स्क्वेअर प्लस 2 into, ओके, प्लस 2 into ab. दिस इज रिटन एज 2 into ab. So this can be written as 2 into AB. So 2 into A is e to the power x, B is 3 plus B square. So B square is 3 square. Okay, 3 square. So this can be written as 3 into x to the power e to the power 2x plus 3 into 2 6 e to the power x plus 3 square is 9. Okay, so this can be substitution. This is, so it is e to the power 2x, e to the power 2x plus 6 e to the power x plus 9. Okay, this is f of g of x. So this is the next g of f of x. Next there is g of f of x, g of f of x. So g as it is, f of x is x square plus 5, x square plus 5. So this is g of x square plus 5 is equals to, substitute value x is g of x is equals to e to the power x plus 3, but x is x square plus 5. substitute करायचं x च्या जागेवर आपल्याला x square plus 5 किती देणार e to the power x च्या जागेवर काय सबस्टिट्यूट करणार x square plus 5 किती देणार x square plus 5 plus किती राहणार आहे 3. so this can be written as g of f of x, this can be written as e to the power x square plus 3, x square plus 3 नहीं sorry x square plus 5, x square plus 3. okay, इधर ना 5 x square plus 5 plus 3, x square plus e to the power x square plus 5 plus 3. okay, next दिलेला आपल्याला f dash of x. so f dash of x is f of x, f of x is equals to, okay, f of x is equals to x square plus 5. so differentiate with respect to x. so derivative of f of x, f dash of x into derivative of x square 2x plus 5 is a constant derivative is 0. so f dash of x is 2x. okay, f dash of x is 2x. next g dash of x. so g dash of x is so this is g of x, g of x is equals to e to the power x plus 3. so differentiate with respect to x. so derivative of g of x, g dash of x into derivative of e to the power x. so e to the power derivative is e to the power x plus 3 is constant derivative is 0. so g dash of x is equals to e to the power x, e to the power x. so now next the derivative of f of g of x with respect to x in the term of, so it is derivative of, so derivative of f of g of x, derivative of f of g of x is equals to, so derivative of f dash of g of x, f dash of g of x into g dash of x, into g dash of x. okay, so now derivative of f of g of x. so derivative of f of g of x, so derivative of f of g of x. okay, so f of g of x is e to the power 2x, e to the power 2x plus 6 into e to the power x plus 9. Okay, so derivative. So derivative of e to the power 2x, e to the power 2x as it is into derivative of 2x 2. Okay, so it is 2 into, it can be written as 2 into e to the power 2x. So e to the power 2x as it is, derivative of 2x, so x is the derivative 1 and 2 is a constant. This is as it is, 2 into e to the power 2x plus 6 as it is, derivative of e to the power ex. So e to the power ex derivative is e to the power ex plus 9 derivative is 0. So 9 derivative is 0. 9 is a constant term. So that is derivative of f of gx at x equals to 0. Now substitution x is equals to 0 in this equation. So derivative, this is x to the power 0. So 2 into e to the power 2 into 0, x is 0 plus 6 into e to the power 0 plus 0. So it can be written as e to the power 0. So it is 2 e to the power 2 into 0, e to the power 0 plus 6 into e to the power 0. So e to the power 0 is 1. So this is 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. This is a value. Okay. This is a value. Now next, the derivative of f of g of x with respect to x in the term of f and g. So derivative of g of f of x, g of f of x can be written as derivative of g dash of f of x, g dash of f of x into derivative of f dash of x. So it is a derivative of f dash of x. Okay. So this can be written as, next derivative of g of f of x. So g of f of x is e to the power x square plus 5 into 3. So this is a derivative of e to the power x square plus 5 plus 3. Okay. So derivative of e to the power f of x. So derivative of e to the power f of x, e to the power f of x as it is into f dash of x. So it is e to the power x square plus 5 into derivative of x square plus 5. So derivative of x square 2x plus derivative of 5 is 0. Okay, plus derivative of 3. So 3 is a constant derivative is 0. So this is can be written as 2x e to the power 2x e to the power x square plus 5, x square plus 5. Okay, so now last, g of f, derivative of g of f of x at x equals to -1. Substitutes in this equation x is equals to -1. So this is 2 into -1, 2 into -1, 2 into x is -1 into e to the power -1 square plus 5. So this can be written as -2 e to the power -1 square is 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. So this is -2 e to the power 6. Okay, it can be written as this is fill in the blanks of activity. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम दिलेला आहे आपल्याला, प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 7 आहे. आपल्याला दिलेला आहे फाइंड द एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ ऑल द पॉइंट ऑन द कर्व y is equals to sin 2x minus 2 sin x. So 0 less than equals to x less than equals to 2 pi. Okay, so 0 less than equals to x, strictly less than 2 pi, where dy by dx equals to 0. So now solution given y equals to sin 2x minus 2 sin x, sin 2x minus 2 sin x. So now differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx is equals to derivative of sin 2x minus 2 sin x, sin 2x minus 2 sin x. So that is dy by dx is equals to, so derivative of separate derivative of sin 2x minus 2 constants derivative of sin x, so it can be written as dy by dx is equals to, So derivative of sin 2x is derivative of sin cos 2x into derivative of 2x. So derivative of 2x minus 2 as it is derivative of sin x is cos x. Okay, so this can be written dy by dx is equals to, so cos 2x as it is cos 2x into derivative of 2x 2, so into 2 into cos 2x minus 2 cos x minus 2 cos x. So by using the formula cos 2x, by using the formula of cos 2x, so by using formula cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1, 2 cos square x minus 1 by using this formula. Okay, so dy by dx is equals to 2 into cos 2x is written as 2 cos square x, 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos x minus 2 cos x. So 2 can be written into multiply by 2 is a multiplier on the bracket, so is that py by dx is equals to 2 into 2 4 cos square x minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 and remaining term as it is remaining term minus 2 cos x. Okay, so this is an where this can be written as, okay, so where dy by dx is equals to 0 आपल्याला दिलेले. now dy by dx equals to 0, so derivative is equals to 0, so derivative is 4 cos x 4 cos square x minus 2 cos x minus 2 is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation, may be factor. Okay, so this is a 4 cos square x minus 2 cos x minus 1 is equals to 0. So minus 2 cos x can be written as 4 cos square x minus 4 cos x plus 2 cos x minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is a minus 2 cos x can be written as minus 4 cos x plus 2 cos x. This is a pair, so may be common in the term. First pair may be common 4 cos x. This is a 4 cos x may be common. So bracket in the this is a pair. This is a cos x minus 1 plus 2 may be common. Okay, 2 may be common in this term. So 2 is a common. So this bracket is a cos x minus 1 is equals to 0. Both term cos x minus 1 may be common. So this is a cos x minus 1. Cos x minus 1 into remaining term 4 cos x plus 2 is equals to 0. So this is a into b is equals to 0. Both conditions. एक तो a equals to 0 रहना, एक तो b equals to 0 रहना. So this is a cos x minus 1 is equals to 0 or 4 cos x plus 1 is equals to 0. So that is a therefore cos x is equals to 1 is a negative, right hand side लगा के ना positive. Okay, or 4 cos 2x 4 cos x plus 2 4 cos x plus 2 can be written as a positive, right hand side लगा के ना negative, so it is a minus 2. So it is a cos x is equals to minus 2 by 4, it can be written as minus 1 by 2. So 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. So it can be written as cos x is equals to minus 1 by 2. So cos x equals to 1. So 1 is a value cos 0. Okay, cos 0 equals to 1. Okay, so cos 0 equals to 1. So this can be written as cos x equals to 1 can be written as cos 0. Cos 0 value is 1. Okay, or cos x equals to minus 1 by 2. Cos x equals to minus 1 by 2. So cos x equals to minus 1 by 2. So minus as it is 1 by 2 is a value of cos pi by 3. Is a cos pi by 3 or cos 60 degree or cos minus cos 60 degree. Okay, cos pi by 3 ची व्हॅल्यू किती असते 1 by 2 मायनस ॲज इट इज ठेवलं. आता आपल्याला cos निगेटिव्ह दिलेले आहे. cos किती दिलेले आहे एकदा this is an last this is an x is an value. Okay, this is an minus cos pi by 3 minus cos pi by 3. आता cos निगेटिव्ह कुठे असतात, पहिल्या क्वाड्रंट मध्ये cos पॉझिटिव्ह असते आणि चौथ्या क्वाड्रंट मध्ये cos पॉझिटिव्ह असते. बाकी राहिलेले दुसऱ्या आणि तिसऱ्या क्वाड्रंट मध्ये cos काय असणार निगेटिव्ह असणार. मग दुसऱ्या क्वाड्रंट साठी आपल्याला लिहायचं किती असणार आहे cos किती राहणार आहे मायनस cos pi मायनस. ओके, सो pi मायनस थीटा दुसऱ्या क्वाड्रंट मध्ये काय असते pi मायनस थीटा. थीटा कॅन बी रिटन ॲज pi by 3. ओके, Theta can be written as pi by 3. So this is a 3 into pi. This is a cos 3 pi minus pi upon 3. Okay, 3 may be multiplied 3 pi minus pi upon 3. So it can be written as cos 3 pi minus pi 2 pi by 3. Okay, so this is a therefore minus cos pi by 3, it can be written as third quadrant. Okay, minus cos can be written as third quadrant. Third quadrant may be cos is negative. So cos third quadrant is pi plus theta. Third quadrant is pi plus theta. Theta is pi by 3. So this is pi by 3 is equals to cos pi by 3. 3 into pi, 3 pi plus pi upon 3. So this can be written as 3 pi plus pi. So cos 4 pi upon 3. So this is an x is an value. X is an first value 0 or x is an second value 2 pi by 3. X is an second value is an 2 pi by 3 and x is an third value. X is equals to 4 pi by 3. So this is an value of x coordinate. This is the value of x coordinate on the curve y equals to sin 2x minus 2 sin x. Okay. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 मधला आपला राहिलेला प्रॉब्लेम बघू. प्रॉब्लेम दिलेला आपल्याला log of 4 to the power 2x in the bracket of x square plus 5 upon square root of 2x cube minus 4 bracket to the power 3 by 2. So now solution let y is equals to log of. Now solution let y is equals to log of 4 to the power 2x into x square plus 5 upon square root of 2x cube minus 4 bracket to the power 3 by 2. So this is by using the property log a into b. So this is log a into log b is equals to log a plus log b. Log a plus log b. So this can be written as y is equals to log of 4 to the power 2x plus log of x square plus 5 upon square root of 2x cube minus 4 bracket to the power 3 by 2. So y is equals to, by using the another property log of a to the power x, so x into log a, by using this property. So this is log of a to the power 2x, which can be written as 2x into log a. 2x into log a. Log a means log 4 plus log of a to the power 3 by 2. So it is 3 by 2 log of x square plus 5 upon square root of 2x cube minus 4. So this is y equals to 2x into log 4 plus 3 by 2 by using the formula of log a by b. So this is a property of log a by b. So this is log a minus log b. Log a minus log b. So this can be written as log of x square plus 5 minus log of square root of. So square root can be written as 2x cube minus 4 to the power. So this is written as 1 by 2 to the power 1 by 2. Another y equals to 2x log 4 plus 3 by 2 into log of x square plus 5 in the bracket of log of x square plus 5 minus log of a to the power 1 by 2. So it can be written as second property 1 by 2 log of 2 into x cube minus 4. Okay, so this is y equals to, y is equals to 2x into log 4 plus 3 by 2 can be multiplied in the bracket. So 3 by 2 into log of, so 3 by 2 into log of x square plus 5. Okay, so 3 by 2 into multiplier of 1 by 2. So minus 3 into 1 3, 2 into 2 4. So minus 3 by 4 log of 2x cube minus 4. So this is an answer. Okay, so this is y. So now differentiate with respect to x. differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. So y is the derivative with respect to x. So it can be written as dy by dx is equals to. So derivative of. So log 4 constant derivative of 2x. Log 4 constant derivative of 2x plus 3 by 2 constant derivative of log of x square plus 4 x square plus 5 minus 3 by 4 constant derivative of. So derivative of log of 2x cube minus 4. Okay. So this is our dy by dx is equals to log 4 constant derivative of 2x into 2 plus 3 by 2 constant derivative of log f of x can be written as 1 upon f of x. F of x is x square plus 5 into derivative of x square plus 5 minus 3 by 4 as it is derivative of log f of x. F of x is 2x cube minus 4. So it can 1 upon f of x. 1 upon f of x is 2x cube minus 4 into derivative of 2x cube minus 4. Okay. So this can be written as so dy by dx is equals to so this can be written as 2 into log 4 plus 2 into 3 by 2 constant. So 1 upon x square plus 5 into derivative of x square plus 5. So x square derivative 2x, 5 is derivative 0. So it can be written as 2x minus 3 by 4. So minus 3 by 4 1 upon 2x cube minus 4 into derivative of 2x cube minus 4. So 2 is a constant. Okay, derivative of x cube. So 3 into x square. Derivative of x cube. So 3 into x square minus 4 derivative is 0. 4 is a constant term. So it can be written as dy by dx is equals to 2 log 4 plus 3 by 2 into it can be multiple of 2x upon x square plus 5 minus 3 by 4 1 upon 2x square 2x cube minus 4 into derivative of 2 into 3 6x square. Okay, 2 into 3 6x square. So it can be written as dy by dx is equals to 2 log 4 as it is plus get 2 get cancel. So 3x upon x square plus 5 minus this is 3 into 6. Okay, so this is 3 into 6. So 6 into 3. So this is 6 into 3. 18 minus 18 x square minus 18 x square upon 4 into 2x cube minus 4 minus 18. So 6 into 3 minus 18 x square upon 4 into 2x cube minus 4. So this is written as dy by dx is equals to 2 log 4 plus 3x upon x square plus 5 minus so 2 9s are 18 and 2 2s are 4. So this is 9x square upon 2 into 2x cube minus 4. So this is our final answer. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड मधला राहिलेला प्रॉब्लेम बघू. प्रॉब्लेम नंबर दिलेला आपल्याला 10 आणि प्रॉब्लेम दिलेला cos स्क्वेअर log of x square plus 7. So solution, let y equals to cos square log of x square plus 7, cos of log of x square plus 7. So this is can be written as, so cos square means bracket square, so it can be written as y is equals to cos of log of x square, cos of log of x square plus 7 into bracket to the power 2. So by using the formula f of x to the power n, so derivative of f of x to the power n, so derivative is n into f of x to the power n minus 1 into f dash of x into f dash of x. So by using the formula differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x. So y is the derivative with respect to x, dy by dx is equals to, so f of x to the power n, so it is n into, so 2 into cos of log x square plus 7 into derivative of cos of log of x square plus 7. Okay, so this is dy by dx is equals to 2 cos of log of x square plus 7 into derivative of cos so this is minus sin log of x square plus 7 minus sin log of x square plus 7 into derivative of, so derivative of log of x square plus 7, log of x square plus 7. Okay, log of x square plus 7. So this is dy by dx is equals to, so minus sign may be written as first, so minus 2 into sin log of, so log of x square plus 7 into cos of, in the remaining term, into cos of log of x square plus 7 into derivative of log x square plus 7, so 1 upon x square plus 7 into derivative of x square plus 7 into derivative of x square plus 7. Okay, so this is dy by dx is equals to, so 2 sin x into cos x by using the formula, so x is log of x square plus 7, so by using the formula 2 sin x into cos x, 2 sin x into cos x means sin 2x. Okay, so this formula can be written as minus, this term can be written as minus sin 2 into log of x square plus 7, minus sin 2 in the bracket of 2 log of x square plus 7 into 1 upon x square plus 7 into derivative of x square 2x, 7 is the derivative 0. So this is dy by dx is equals to minus sin 2 log of x square plus 7 minus sin 2 log of x square plus 7 into 2x, so this is can be written as minus 2x into sin, so minus 2x into sin log of 2 log minus sin in the bracket of 2 log of x square plus 7 whole upon this term x square plus 7. So this is a final answer. Okay.